Hi everyone, welcome back to Accounting with Morgan. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 main types of accounts in financial accounting. So first, what do we mean by account types? In accounting, we sort every transaction into a specific type of account so it's easier to record, understand, and report. There are 5 main types of accounts and every business transaction fits into one of them. So here they are. You have assets, liabilities, and equity, and that's on your balance sheet. And then you have revenue and expenses, and that's on your income statement. These 5 categories make up the foundation of all financial reports, and you'll see them again and again as we move through the series. So let's break down a few of these. Assets are things that the business owns, like cash, equipment, and inventory. And liabilities are what the business owes, like loans, unpaid bills, or accounts payable. Next is equity, which is basically what's left for the owners after all liabilities are paid. In a corporation, this includes things like common stock and retained earnings. In a small business, it might just be labeled as owner's capital. It represents the owner's share of the business. Now let's talk about revenue and expenses. This is the fun part because it shows how a company makes and spends money. Revenue is money the business earns from selling products or providing services. Expenses are the costs it takes to run the business, like rent, salaries, or utilities. You'll subtract expenses from revenue to figure out the company's net income. All these accounts work together to track the business's financial story. They're used in journal entries, T accounts, trial balances, and financial statements. They also tie back to the accounting equation, which is assets equals liabilities plus equity, with revenue and expenses affecting equity through net income. To wrap it up, there are 5 main types of accounts in financial accounting, and understanding how they work is the key to learning how journal entries work or to make financial statements and analyzing business performance. Master these early, and everything else in accounting will make more sense. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something. Next video, we will be talking about the double entry system.